Oh my gosh.
He's on the plane wing.
What is going on? Did he open the door? How did he get up there?
He came up from down on the ground.
He got up there from the ground?
He was running around out there. What is he doing?
Go under there. Like less than a minute.
Stay down and stay seated. Stay down. Oh, he's got blood all over him. When they said someone was on the side of the plane, I thought like
Ladies and gentlemen, the police officers are coming forward. They're going to have to exit the wing from the wing exit.
thank you, sir.
So please stay alive, stay clear.
You go to row 3. Go to row 3.